The world has been suffering from crypto fever for the last couple of years, and its performance suggests that this decade is going to be a huge game changer for the crypto industry. As the crypto world keeps making headlines after headlines, more and more people are getting interested to be a part of it. The year 2021 alone saw the addition of almost 200 million new crypto users. If you're also thinking of being part of this ever-growing sector, the first thing you're going to need is a crypto wallet. Crypto wallets are an essential tool for buying, trading and selling cryptocurrencies while keeping your crypto safe. They also offer more control over your digital currency. They can be external hardware devices or software that runs on your mobile device or computer. But there are so many options. Don't you worry, we've got you covered with this list of some of the safest free crypto wallets. Exodus. Exodus is one of the most visually appealing and intuitive wallets on the market yet. Originally a free desktop-only wallet, Exodus now has apps for iOS and Android and is also compatible with Trezor wallets, a popular hardware wallet brand. With its simplicity, this wallet is great for beginners just getting into the crypto space. It also has great support, an essential feature for beginners getting into what many would consider a confusing market. For more adventurous users, the app also supports over 200 more cryptocurrencies, all of which can be exchanged directly through the wallet with ease. Exodus has an option to set custom fees to keep costs down too. It's the best choice for beginners, and which is why experienced users may get frustrated with the app's guardrails. Trust Wallet. Love to keep track of your investments from your mobile phone? Then a Trust Wallet may be the perfect choice for you. This open-source, decentralized mobile crypto wallet supports over 4.5 million assets, including cryptocurrencies and NFTs across 65 blockchains. This mobile-based platform offers a user-friendly interface where you can store, purchase, and exchange crypto easily. It also allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency by staking directly from their wallet. You earn up to 11% APR through crypto staking on Trust Wallet. In addition, there are very few fees associated with Trust Wallet. If you're more of a PC-based crypto user, then it might not be the best choice. Before we get into more about this topic, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Atomic Wallet. Atomic Wallet is a hot storage wallet with plenty of things going for it. This decentralized cryptocurrency wallet and exchange app supports over 500 coins and tokens. Besides presenting an opportunity for users to swap, exchange, or convert crypto-based assets, Atomic Wallet also allows users to earn rewards through various means such as staking and cashback programs. Featuring its own decentralized exchange called Atomic Swap, you can easily exchange cryptocurrency, lowering the cost. When it comes to usability, it offers both PC and a mobile version. And then it offers 24/7 customer service, which is a find in this type of technology. MetaMask. MetaMask is a free, highly secure digital wallet that comes in the form of a browser plugin and boasts more than 30 million active monthly users. MetaMask is also popular largely in part to its ease of use and accessibility. The wallet's design is inviting and straightforward, seemingly designed with beginner investors in mind. MetaMask is also well known for its interoperability. The wallet has the ability to add almost any blockchain network to the app and fully supports popular Web3 networks, including Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Avalanche. This means that users can swap a variety of digital assets directly via the wallet. But the biggest drawback of this wallet would be that it does not support, by default, the best-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Coinomi. Coinomi is a multi-asset wallet that can be accessed from both PC and mobile. It can be used by both new and experienced investors because of its user-friendly interface and strong security measures. Coinomi supports more than 125 networks, and you're allowed to send and receive over 1,770 different cryptocurrency assets through a versatile mobile and desktop application. Aside from a security issue that was exposed and fixed back in February 2019, the wallet has gained a good reputation within the cryptocurrency community. It offers a variety of language and fiat currency options, and best of all, it's free to use. So if you were to choose one of the crypto wallets, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments. What are the best crypto exchanges? Tap on the tab on your screen to know more about that, and we'll see you inside the Metaverse.